Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 review. The future is folding into your hands. Imagine a world where your phone unfolds like a book of secrets, and inside lies a tablet smooth, seamless, and bursting with potential. That's no longer a dream, it's the reality Samsung just handed us with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 isn't just a smartphone. It's an idea. A whisper from the future, wrapped in metal and glass. Sleeker than its predecessors and stronger than ever, this marvel is a symphony of innovation, where form meets function in the most stylish way. Let's talk design. Gone are the bulky hinges and visible creases. The Fold 7's FlexEdge display bends like a willow in the wind gracefully and silently. When closed, it feels like a premium flagship. When opened, it's a cinematic playground. And that inner 7.8-inch AMOLED panel. It's like holding a miniature IMAX in your hands. Performance. Think speed. Now double it. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip under the hood and up to 16 GB of RAM, this device laughs in the face of lag. Whether you're editing 4K videos, playing demanding games, or running a full desktop-like DeX experience, the Fold 7 doesn't flinch. The camera system, refined and redefined. Triple rear lenses engineered with AI-enhanced optics deliver photos that feel like memories. The new under-display front camera is nearly invisible, making your video calls and selfies feel more immersive than ever. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of foldables until now. Samsung's adaptive dual battery system combined with smart AI usage prediction means the Fold 7 survives your busiest days without begging for a charger. But what truly sets the Fold 7 apart is its software. One UI Fold Edition turns multitasking into magic. Drag 3 apps across the screen, resize windows, and float content like a futuristic dance of productivity. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's niche. But the Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't trying to be for everyone. It's for the dreamers, the explorers, the tech romantics who believe that the future should fold literally into their pocket. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 doesn't ask for your attention. It commands it.